Hey guys, Michael Siciliano here. We are at our FAT Electric showroom down in Winter Park, just a couple blocks away from Park Avenue. So, what we plan to do in this space is going to be pretty wild stuff. We're going to take out this door here so that we have a double door entrance. That's going to allow us to back the golf carts in and out to go on our demo test drives up and down Park Avenue with you guys. So why don't we come on over here? I want to show you the inside. It doesn't look like much yet, but it will. We plan on doing a lot in here. We're going to be taking out this whole wall. You'll have a huge showroom. It's about 25 feet from that far wall to the wall behind us here. When that wall is down, we could fit 2 to 3 golf carts. And with those double doors that I mentioned, we're going to be able to back the golf carts in and out of the showroom with ease and go on those test drives up and down Park Avenue. It's going to be really cool stuff. We plan to install artificial turf throughout the whole thing. We're going to be painting all the walls. We have a couple of offices in the back and a restroom that we're going to be building out to make it look a little nicer for our customers that are coming in to check out the golf carts. So yeah, we're following the seller manufacturer model. What that means is we're the manufacturer of these carts and we're also selling them. We're not allowed to wholesale them, so we can't have other dealerships selling our carts. What that allows for is better quality control over the actual sales process. It allows for better brand integrity. So essentially, we have control over the product from the time it's actually being built all the way until we sell it to you. And then during the post-sales process for warranty and support, you're gonna have fast service. We're gonna be able to get parts for you quickly because we are the one manufacturing them. So as a manufacturer, we're able to assign these VIN numbers to the carts. You're gonna be able to take it to the tax collector office, go get it registered, and hit the street a lot quicker than most other golf cart brands that you're gonna be purchasing. That was our pain point. That's why we established this company. That's why we did our research and development in building the best golf cart possible with lifted suspension, in-mirror turn signals. You got your running boards. You have your illuminated license plate holder. Your speed gauge. I mean, everything is so over the top on these carts. You're gonna love it, I promise. Join the Fatty Club, schedule a demo on our website here. Come on out or we will take the cart to your house and we will drive it up and down the block for all your neighbors to see so that you can get a feel for our model Fatty. Go to www.fatelectricclub.com to learn more. We can't wait to see you guys. Over and out.